Take two. Yeah, thanks for all the support on Instagram, YouTube, and all the likes and all the comments. It's just blinding. Glad to be back. Weren't glad I had that accident in the last video. But yeah, like I say, I appreciate all the support, and hopefully it can grow the channel into something, which I'm trying to do. The best thing I could describe it is really to get the channel sort of, for me to earn any income off it, and it's not much, honest. It's to have 1,000 subscribers. Now that's a lot of subscribers. I mean, at the moment I've got 280, which I'm, you know, blinding with. Even if they don't watch it, you know, it's nice to look there and see the effort you put into the videos. It's been appreciated, really. That's all I'm after, you know. And like I say, last year I think I spent, I don't know, £2,000 on camera equipment, new GoPro, new all this stuff. You don't really see that behind the scenes, but you know, it's all for me watching it as well, because I bought the GoPro 7 Black because of the stability on it. I'm filming on the little Hero at the moment, a little square cube. It's pretty good, don't do 4K though, so that's why I bought and the stability you'll see on the video I'm about to show you now. I edited it this morning, was filmed with this little cube, and you'll see the stability difference. But yeah, so like I say, if you can help me out with any subs, don't cost you nothing, you know. Like I say, even if you don't watch the videos, I've got your sub, you've got my back. But yeah, it would be nice for a bit more support to get up to 1,000 subscribers, so I can at least earn some ads and stuff like that, and get a little bit of income off the channel. Would be nice. Alright, thank you very much, and sub, leave a comment if you like anything, you know, about bike parks or how the injury went on, or you know, Instagram, Twitter, same thing. Dave Bike Life, same thing. But catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Yeah! It's up it!
Oh, go, go, go! Go, 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 go! Flipping hell, straight into loads of rocks, mate, you're joking! Fucking hell! Flipping hell, mate! Whoa! Whoa! Nearly. Whoa! Oh! Woo! Oh, you ready? Whoa. Jesus, that was a wide line, Dave. Whoa! Oh, Dave, you're right. Shit! Shit! Oh.
You right, son?
Yeah! Go! Go! Dave's come off! I didn't come off, that big step you see on the footage, mate, I had to slam my brakes on. I was ready for that drop off and hit them rocks. I was like, whoa!
Oh mate, that drop off was bigger than a fall. I just lifted it in time, done it, and then I went through the middle of them two big rocks, and then I thought there's no point trying to get out of it.
No, the big drop off,
How are
mate.
ya?
You alright?
Yeah, that's a bit.
Yeah.
That was a nut. When did you crash on the drop off?
No, on that one that
When
you
it
went,
come
whoa!
When
I
it come
wanted
off
to
the
go
rocks?
right, but the camber threw me left. Straight over the bars, eh?
Right, we're going to do the gap jump.
Oh,
Yeah?
in.
How are you? Alright.
Yeah, that's a bit.
That was a nut.
I'll get that.
Yeah, I'm watching. Sorry, Dave, go, Dave.
Whoa, fuck.
Sorry, Dave, go, Dave.
Woohoo! Oh. Whoa! Whoa. Yeah. Whoa! Right, whoa, Jack, whoa! Woo! Yeah, but that's well tight. Oh. Oh, I'm knackered. Oh. Right, ready? Let's go for it. Oh, mate! I'm fucking arse on the back tyre! Oh. Flipping hell. Oh, I nearly missed it at all. I'll follow you. Whoa.
Hey, that was fun, wasn't it? Oh, look at this thing.
Oh, shut up. This is like,
Keep your back
Hey,
brake
Jimmy.
on, Dave. Keep your back brake on.
do you remember Kickstart? Whoa! I just come off, did he come off the side there?
Flying over there, man.
Yeah, hold on. Whoa! I just had one foot off the pedal.
Yeah,
Go,
go, go.
Oh, sorry, boy. Oh, did he clean it? Flipping out. Whoa.